Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs on 2008 Toyota Prius Easy Guide. Begin by gathering tools: ratchet, extension, spark plug socket, torque wrench, and anti-seize. Work in a well-lit area and wear gloves and safety glasses. Keep parts organized and label coils if needed. Follow manufacturer torque specs and check gaps before installation. Take your time and stay methodical to avoid damage. Next, remove the ignition coils carefully and in order to avoid mixing cylinders. Start by disconnecting the battery negative if you haven't already, then unplug the electrical connectors. Remove mounting bolts and gently twist each coil while pulling up to release it from the spark plug well. Place coils on a clean surface in matching order. Inspect boots for cracks and clean any debris from the well before proceeding. Now install the new spark plugs following proper technique to ensure a reliable engine. Thread each plug-in by hand first to avoid cross-threading, then tighten with a torque wrench to the specified value. Reinstall the coils in the correct order and reconnect electrical connectors. Double-check that all bolts and connectors are secure before reconnecting the battery. Start the engine and listen for smooth idling or any
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.